Okay, okay, okay.
One, two, three. Let's start.
Hi guys! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat! Today's episode, naimbitahan kami ng isa sa mga nanay ng kaklase ni Nina dahil nga summer vacation na, kailangan ng mga bata ng mga extra activities. Bilang nanay, ayaw ko kasi na nakatipend sila sa mga iPad. Ito nga pala si Lashmi, siya ang may-ari ng Little Gym dito sa Bangalore. At ito nga pala ay 3 branches na guys.
Oh wow, it's brand new. Wow.
Yeah, this is actually a community center. Like it's community center.
This is nice.
And drive classes. We have Bollywood. We have some yoga. There's Bharatanatyam.
Wow.
So you can have the birthday party here. That's how we work with Little Children. And same thing. So we have this branch and we have one on New Bellevue.
Okay.
So the space,
Sorry.
like the same, like it's here the biggest one.
Yeah, this is bigger. But my New Bell Road, it's the shape. It's slightly longer. This one is square. That one is long. That's it. But the same, amount of space is the same.
It's really nice.
Here and stuff like that. So I have like teacher trainings, whole bunch of.
What is it? Okay, what is it? Okay, my name is. Okay, we'll do warm up activities. Okay, stand in the word, listen to the music. What music says, we are going to try with that. Okay, together. Okay, stand up. Stand in the word.
At ayan na nga guys, tapos na ang warm-up at ayan ng super energetic ni Salvatore. Ayan ang daming lang activities dito guys at siguradong mapapagod ang mga bata. Ayan, takbuhan sila ng takbuhan at I feel sorry sa mga staff ng Little Gym dahil sobrang energetic po talaga ng aking mga anak. Ayan, ang tagal nilang na kulong sa bahay. Actually, 1 day lang naman pero gusto ko talaga nung lagi silang active. Ayan, at laging sinusundan si Salvatore nung isa sa mga staff para make sure na siya ay ligtas. Di ba? Ang galing. Alam niyo po ba na matagal na kami nagpupunta ng Little Gym nung mga 2 years old pa lang sila sa US. Kaya nga natutuwa ako na mayroon ng franchise na branch dito sa Bangalore. Highly recommended ang place na ito dahil alam niyo ba guys, sobrang bago talaga siya. Kasi yung dating pinupuntahan namin gymnastic place, medyo amoy molds at madumi.
Up to 30 kids.
After 30
Yeah, up to 30 kids here, and then you can have more children on the other side, but we can take only up to 30 kids here
Okay.
for 1 hour here and 2 hours. So in total, the birthday package is 3 hours.
What? They must be so tired.
Yeah, but over there, once they go there, there's none of our team is here. That's your party. Yeah.
I see, I see.
Here it's just for 1 hour, 1 hour straight. If you want additional activities, we can help you find the people, but we don't do it.
Okay, perfect. This is
And we
so
have a good
nice.
music system there, so you can plug in your
No, I
music.
saw
and
that. I
stuff
said,
like
oh, it's perfect. Yeah, what about the foods? Do we order the foods?
Yes. You
Okay.
can bring your own food in, your own cake in and stuff like that. So
Oh.
we don't get into any of that stuff. Again, if you want suggestions.
Tuwan-tuwa ako nung nalaman namin ito dahil hindi lang super malapit sa amin, malapit nga pala ito sa aking yoga school. Di ba guys, ang saya? Shout out sa mga nanay na naghahanap ng summer activities for the kids. Eto na guys, sobrang linis ng lugar. Highly recommended!
Okay.
Nanonood ka lang pero pagod na pagod ka na panoorin sila. sobrang energetic talaga ng mga batang ito. Hindi ko alam kung saan nila nakuha yarn. Kanino pa ba? Eh di sa aming dalawa ni Mio Amore. Sana all. Walang kapagurang mga bata at eto pa. At eto pa. At syempre yung pinakamaliit. Eto na ang problema.
It's you.
What about your brother?